to Evangelist Wilbert. Pagwapo lang.
Happy birthday, Bishop.
Yan po ang my birthday. Ito po yung taya namin. Ay, ma'am. Ito yung maganda asawa.
Masarap ang pagkain.
Masarap. Dok!
Happy birthday, Doc Wilbert. Long life, good health, make a blessing. God bless.
Tidang!
Happy birthday, Pastor Wilbert. Long life. Enjoy.
Tita,
Happy birthday, Pastor.
yun lang. Ayun niyo po.
Happy birthday, Pastor Wilbert. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pastor Wilbert.
Yun.
Ikaw bumati naman.
Ano mo itong
Ayun. Happy birthday sa ating mabuting kaibigan. Matindi at malupit na evangelist. God bless.
Punta kumukulo.
Ayan po.
Yan. Agila ng Bicol.
Yummy.
Ang agila ng Bicol.
Okay, okay.
Lalo na si Manoy.